am I?
Who am I?
Who am I?
Do you know all these layers and layers of me? These layers that are these that are me?
Who knows? Who knows what it is to be local born? Born of immigrant parents from Ilocos, from the Philippines.
I am this woman.
I am this man.
I am this woman.
I am this man.
This skin.
This memory.
This flesh.
This blood. This vein.
Look at me.
Listen to my story.
I am tired of these layers and layers of skin.
I am tired of these layers and layers of stories.
I am tired of these layers and layers of memories.
Ukininam.
Says my neighbor.
Ukininam. Ukininam. I heard her screams and the door banging and the slap. Oh, I do not know. The slap on the face. Pak, pak, pak. And that scream, that primal scream. Ukininam, ukininam.
Patayin na kun. Kill me, but bring my body back to my country, you son of a bitch. You son of a bitch. I feed you with my hand. I work for you. I scrub the dirt on your stinky body.
I cook you food and you make me a whore on my bed.
No, I do not want to think about it.
No, because I have love. I have loved the memory of being born in these islands.
In the air that makes the leaves dance.
The wind that caresses the waves.
The mountains guarding all the sorrows residing in my heart. I want all these to come to an end. All of them. Get back on my knees and stand up again. Erect, straight, proud.
I take off this pretension, this skin.
I take off this bad dream, this Americanness that is not me.
I take off this nightmare, this Filipino-ness that is a fraction of me.
I take off this desire, pure, that is not me. This Ilokano-ness that is half of me, 1/4 of me.
I take off all these layers and layers of me. One more that is not me.
I take off
My being a local born.
my being a daughter.
My being a son.
My being a dutiful child. All these are killing me, and I take off all of them. I take off.
Listen,
Listen.
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 are you listening? This is the last of me. Me.
Me.
Me.
Me.
I am a woman.
I am a man.
I am a human being.
American.
Filipino.
Ilokano.
I am one. Hey! What it is to be a local born of the immigrant parent. Sorry.